We are location scouting right now for our death photo shoot for Puss in Boots, the Puss in Boots movie. Stumpy had this idea where she wanted to shoot it in the woods, and Las Vegas is a desert, unfortunately, so not a whole lot of trees. So we're actually driving up farther up north to check out a canyon pass that our good friend recommended to us. So we'll see. Look at Stumpy, such a good driver. I can't believe there's still snow up here. It is cold though, I am severely under this. But the air is nice up here.
Yeah, right over there would be really good.
In that dense tree line. Let's take a look. Whoa, windy! You're gonna have to dress warm when we come back up. It's cold. It's snowy so far. Well, I didn't think there'd still be snow up here, but it might kind of work, huh? What do you think?
What you want? It's gonna be tricky because it looks dirty and it's gonna reflect a bunch of light back on you.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe not on top of the snow.
Yeah,
then, but
maybe near snow, but not on top of it.
Yeah, that's a lot of trees. That would look cool. Also, I got ice in my Crocs and my toes are cold. Did you sink? Did you get your foot wet? Wow, this is a lot of snow. Oh shit!
Seals.
There's a sealed. Is that a free Kit Kat?
Oh hell yeah! Yo, it's been refrigerated and everything.
I know.
What?
Damn, bummer. Are your feet wet? That's a lot of snow, Stumpy. Our toes are frozen. Both got ice in our Crocs. Goodbye, socks. Thanks for coming with me. Yeah. You excited now? Yeah. Cool. I am so tired. Today is photo shoot day. I'm exhausted. It's already like 11 a.m. but I was working on commissions for ASIN and also Fanime and then a couple private commissions, so I'm just perpetually tired, unfortunately. With the Anime Expo coming up too, this is literally the only day I could shoot this costume because going up to the mountains is about an hour drive. Takes up a lot of time out of my day, so gotta get ready. Got my contacts in, about to do my makeup. I'm not really too sure what kind of look I'm going for yet, honestly. He kind of has like a little black raccoon mask moment going on, which I'm not a really big fan of because for whatever reason when I do that my eyes end up looking like they go closer together. Perspective, I suppose. So, I don't really know. Definitely dark. Maybe a little bit of a puppy nose, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it. Let's say hi to camera, Nova. Look how cute she looks with glasses.
But look. Right? Right?
Oh, they.
Ta-da.
Wow. Ooh, those are fancy.
They're really, I'm really cool, okay? I just drive and I'm like,
same location as last time, but thank goodness it's all nice and dry so we don't have to worry about our equipment getting wet. No more snow. Also, Stumpy has very green hair. Hi, Nova. So Nova's gonna be taking over for the rest of the vlog while I get ready.
It feels so nice being outside.
Yeah.
I feel like I've been stuck at home for, what, 6 months since we moved?
Honestly, yeah. It's been a long time. This is nice. Good change of pace. Outdoor. First outdoor shoot of the year.
Second?
Oh, second? What was the first one?
Tough.
Oh, you're right.
When I had to brush out so much sand.
Yay, we wrapped. It was nice weather. Till we got rained out. It started to sprinkle a little bit, so we figured we'd call it safe rather than sorry and wrap. Yeah, not too bad. It was overcast most of the time. We got some sun here and there, but it went well. I'm excited to see how the photos look. They already looked really good in lens.